Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Printify account to Etsy. In order to do this, you will first need to become a seller on Etsy.com. Find the seller on Etsy button at the top right and click on open your Etsy shop, and here you will need to go through all the necessary steps to get your account prepared. Note, completing the steps is crucial for the integration to work. Here are three STs. Etsy requires you to create a listing. Don't worry, this can just be a draft product which you can delete later or after that. Finish settings up your account by adding payment information in the step 4 and 5. Please note that when you set up billing, Etsy asks you to take a small deposit from your card just to check whether this is a real card. However, this deposit is given back, so you don't have to worry about that. Once this is done, log into your Printify account. On the top right under Manage My Store, click on Add New Stores before clicking Connect. Make sure you are logged into Etsy on your browser. Click on Continued and you will be automatically redirected to Etsy, where you have to allow access to secure the connection. Now you can publish product directly from your printer by account and have listing created automatically on your store. Printify, it starts too simple. So this is it guys. I hope you found this really helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.